This video will be about some more details of JSX. Topics will be whitespace, comments, escapes, and fragments. These are some smaller things to be aware of, and you may have already encountered them in the form of some unexpected behavior in JSX. In that case, here you'll see what's behind that behavior. Handling of whitespace is a little different in JSX than in HTML. In HTML, the rule is that any sequence of whitespace characters, spaces, line breaks, or tabs will be rendered as a single space character. The rules in JSX are: whitespace between two elements within one line is interpreted as a single space. Whitespace between two elements on different lines is ignored. So if there are a couple of spaces between two images, the rendering will contain a single space. If there is a line break, no whitespace will be rendered. This is often the desired result and might be considered a nicer behavior than in HTML. If we would want to explicitly force a space character to appear, even though there is a line break involved, this would be the way to do it. We would switch to JavaScript and include a string with a single space in there. Note that the prettier formatting tool can handle this construct and will sometimes automatically add it when breaking up long lines. Inside the JSX template, some special characters must be escaped if we want to include them. In particular, angle brackets and the ampersand will often have to be escaped. We can do that by switching to JavaScript and including them as a JavaScript string. Comments can be written as JavaScript comments. It's not possible to use XML or HTML syntax for comments. A fragment is a construct that allows us to return multiple elements from a component. It consists of empty opening and closing tags. In the last two videos, we've learned the very basics of JSX. I would suggest trying out every aspect of what we've learned, for example, by experimenting in a code sandbox.